Hello dear students, welcome to Darshana Academy Darshan Tips series, and today in this series we will discuss topic from physics, that is Doppler's effect in sound wave. And you know, it is very interesting topic. Sometimes when you are standing on the road and you might find that a bus is coming from one side and you are feeling sound wave louder, and when it is moving away you are finding frequency is lesser. So why this happen? And this is due to Doppler's effect. So let's begin. So only one formula is needed to describe all the problems related to Doppler's effect. Okay, and one concept is what, you know, good listeners are good people. So always in the given formula you can see observer is on the top, means numerator, and source is in denominator. Okay, so observer, good listeners, so we are giving some respect, so it is in numerator. Okay. So it is simply apparent frequency heard by an observer is the real frequency of the source. Let us suppose source frequency is okay. So apparent frequency heard by an observer f dash will be v. V is the velocity of sound wave, and VO is the observer velocity, and Vs is the source velocity, and then plus minus plus minus. So always in books there may be more than one formula for this plus minus situation, but we will remember plus minus and we will apply logic. Means what? Bus example, when it is approaching you, you are getting louder frequency, means frequency will increase, and when it is receding, means moving away, so frequency will decrease. That is the concept only, and observer always in numerator and source in denominator. Okay, so let's see how we can apply this formula. So very simple, let us suppose source is moving towards an observer with velocity v is, and observer is moving towards source, okay, with velocity VO. So how to apply this formula in this condition? So it's very simple. V is what? Sound velocity, speed of sound in a medium. Okay, VO is observer velocity, Vs is source velocity. So apparent frequency heard by observer will be what in this situation? Simple case, f dash will be original frequency into, just write v in numerator and denominator, then plus minus, what to put? Okay, so here both are moving, so write here VO always in numerator, Vs in denominator, then observer is moving towards the source. Two things you have to remember. When there is relative velocity of approach, they are approaching towards each other, frequency will increase, and when they are moving away, relative separation between source and observer, so frequency will decrease. Hope so you understand. Two things you have to remember: observer always in numerator and source denominator. Then when they are moving towards each other, relative velocity of approach, then frequency will increase, and when there is separation, frequency will decrease. Okay, that's it. So apply here. Here observer is moving, so frequency will increase, means we have to put what? Plus sign in numerator. Source is also approaching observer, so due to source also frequency will increase. So denominator should be lesser, means we will put minus sign in denominator. So don't remember like plus minus plus minus. Apply concept. Okay, so it is minus sign. Clear? So due to both frequency is increasing. Let us suppose second condition. Here this is observer, this is source. This is observer, this is source, and this time both are moving away from each other, Vs and Vo. So in this condition, if f is the real frequency, so apparent frequency heard by an observer, so you can easily guess here what will be this. F dash will be f times of, just write V. Here observer is moving away, so frequency will decrease. So minus sign, minus of VO. Source is also moving away. So frequency will decrease. So in denominator it should be higher. So plus sign, plus Vs. That's it. So one formula is sufficient here. Okay, one more condition we can take here. So let us suppose source, observer. Source is approaching observer, okay, with Vs and releasing frequency F, and observer is moving away, clear, with VO. So what will be frequency? You can easily write what? Apparent frequency heard by observer will be what? F dash will be F times of what? F times of V. V is the velocity of sound wave. Observer in numerator, observer is moving away, so frequency will decrease. Okay, so minus sign. Then source is approaching the observer, so again frequency will increase and denominator should be lesser, so again minus sign. So here minus of Vs. Okay, so hope so you understand. Clear? So in this slide you can see source is moving in this direction and observer is moving towards bottom, towards downward. Okay, so can we apply Doppler's effect in the same way here? So no. Third important point is what? Here you have to take observer and source velocity component along the line joining source and observer. Source and observer along the line joining you have to take component of velocity of source and observer, but velocity of sound will remain same in all direction. So V component will not change, only you have to change Vs and Vo along the line joining S and O. Okay, so here if F is the frequency released by source and F dash is the apparent frequency here. So how can we relate here? Let's see. F dash will be F times of V is the velocity of sound, V. What should we write here? So we have to take components along the line joining. So if this is theta, so here it will be Vs cos theta, and this will be 90 minus theta, so this will be 90 minus theta. So this is VO sin theta. So you have to take component along SO line. Okay. So here you can see observer in numerator and it is moving away, so frequency will decrease, so minus sign. So minus sign means what? Minus VO sin theta. Then observer is moving away, but source is approaching observer, means due to source motion frequency will increase. So we will take what? Plus or minus. We need a smaller denominator, so minus sign once again. Okay, so how simple it is? Minus of Vs sin theta. And based on this concept, you can find question in NEET also, though it is very important for JEE Main and Advanced. But in NEET also they have asked question. So let's see that problem. Okay, so this is the question asked in NEET exam. So source is here and it is moving in this direction. Source is moving in this direction with Vs and it is given 19.4 meter per second. So 19.4 meter per second, and observer is at rest, velocity of observer is 0, and it is here. This should be dot here, not arrow. Clear? And this is source and frequency. Here F is given how much? 100. Okay, 100 hertz. So we have to find frequency heard by an observer, means apparent frequency. So let us suppose this is F dash, so we have to find F dash. So again we will take here component along the line joining S and O. Clear? So what will be this? This will be Vs cos 60. Vs cos 60. Right now question is very simple. So apparent frequency will be F dash will be if V, velocity of sound given 330 meter per second. So V, observer is at rest, so we will put here 0, plus minus 0. Source is approaching an observer with V is cos 60. So put here V is cos 60. But plus or minus frequency will increase, so it is what? Minus sign. V is cos 60. Clear? So put the value here 100. V is 330. Then divide by 330 minus of 19.4. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. So if we will solve, we will get apparent frequency heard by an observer is what? 103 hertz. So how is it simple? So option first is correct. Clear? So next question, from one question from JEE Main. So this is the question. It is given. There is a driver of bus approaching a big wall. So let us suppose there is a big wall here. Very large wall means what? It is a stationary. Okay, this is your wall, and one bus is approaching this wall. Clear? This is a bus and it is approaching this with some velocity. Let us suppose velocity of bus is Vb. Clear? And this is wall means what? This wall is observer and its speed is 0. So Vo is given, velocity of wall Vw is given 0. Okay. So it is given frequency differ by for this driver is what? 420 to 490 hertz. What is the meaning? It is approaching. So sound wave will strike wall and again it will be reflecting back, and bus driver will again heard that sound. So bus driver will heard two sounds. One from the source means bus horn, and another is what? Reflected sound wave frequency. Okay. So frequency is increasing 420 to 490. So real frequency is what? If 420 hertz. Clear? And F dash is what? 490 hertz. So first of all, this is source. First of all, bus is source and frequency will move in this direction and 420 hertz, and it will reach here since there is relative motion between source and observer. So here frequency heard by wall will be, let us suppose F1. Then it will reflect back, and here again it will here frequency F dash, reflected frequency, and that is 490 hertz. Okay, so two times here we will apply Doppler's effect to get the value of speed of bus. Clear? So in first case, I am writing here first case. First case, this bus is source and observer is wall. So F1 will be what? Okay, let us suppose this is F double dash, then this is F dash. So F double dash is what? F, again V by V, observer is at rest, so plus minus 0, source is moving, so what? Minus of Vb. Clear? Because frequency will increase. So next case, F dash will be what? Right now this wall is source and observer is this driver means bus, and again there is a velocity of approach between them, so again frequency will increase. Okay, so next case, this time F dash will be what? F double dash for this wall. So here F double dash. Clear? So F double dash will change into F dash. So it is F dash equals to F double dash V by V, and this time source is wall and it is at rest, so denominator plus minus 0, and observer is moving towards source, so plus sign, so plus velocity of bus. So you can put the value of F dash from F double dash from here. So it is F, and F is 420 divided by V is what? 330. It is given, divided by 330 minus Vv into what? This is V, 330 plus VB by V 330. So, and this F dash is given 490. So, if you will solve this equation, you will get the value of VB, velocity of bus, and this is what VB is. You can easily calculate VB, you will get approximately 91 kilometer per hour. Okay, here you will get answer in meter per second, and you have to multiply what, 18 by 5, then you will get answer in kilometer per hour. Clear? So you have seen here how Doppler's effects are so simple to apply if you learn concept, and if you will apply like individual formula, then in each condition there will be different formula. Okay, so better to understand concept and apply it wisely. It will take hardly 30 seconds to solve this type of questions. Okay, so hope so you understand and you learned something. So if you like this video, so hit the like button and you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.